If you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your... Very good.
Just wrap a bubble wrap around your toddler's feet. Tape it tight to secure it in place. Tape a paper to the cardboard box and start adding colors. And finally allow your toddler to splish splash and jump in muddy puddles. The colors would make creating a beautiful art. Isn't it cute?